Hey, I got that one.
You got him?
Yeah. Finally. The game is going quick, right? It feels like it is. Get that, get it, Kira! Woo!
She was done.
Nice! Yeah. Good hit, boy. Good hit. His brother does that to him. Like, I'm gonna punch you in your face.
It's up, Ryan. It's up, Carmelo.
He was